Hi, this is Ron Kaufman. I'm standing in front of a gorgeous piece of artistic glass. It's an installation by a world-famous artist named Dale Chihuly. Chihuly is an innovator in the field of glass. Now, glass has been around since before recorded human history. Over each of the ages, human beings have learned how to work with glass, how to form glass, how to shape glass. And today, our society has glass in every direction. We count on architectural glass, functional glass, optical glass, and of course, ornamental, artistic glass. But Chihuly innovated in the space. He walked on the proven path of other glass makers who came before him and brought something new color, new shapes, new excitement. And in that excitement, he created beauty and tremendous value. Today, Chihuly's works and installations are in museums, collections, and beautiful public places like this everywhere in the world. Now, in the new book, Uplifting Service, I also take you on a proven path. In the new book, you'll find the case studies, the best practices, the illustrations, the architectural framework that world-class service leaders and service providers are following today to create more beauty and more value for other people. In the book, you will learn what you can do as a service provider or as a service leader to step up and provide a higher level of service for the people that you serve in your life, or to build the kind of culture, an uplifting service culture that will stand out in the world for the beauty and the value that you provide. Now, here's something that you won't learn inside the book, but I'll tell you now. You can go to chihuly.com, C-H-I-H-U-L-Y, and you'll find out about my friend Dale Chihuly. Why do I call him my friend? Because many years ago, I was an aficionado of Frisbee. I used to play Frisbee, I used to teach Frisbee, and I used to collect Frisbees. Well, Dale is also a Frisbee aficionado, and he's a collector of collections. He and I did an exchange. I got several pieces of his world-class, beautiful glass art, which I enjoy and admire today. And he got my entire Frisbee collection, which today is in Dale Chihuly's good care. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the beauty of Dale Chihuly's art, and let the world, the people you serve, enjoy the beauty of the service you provide today.